in this video we'll be making an audio recorder using Python. So if here I have recorded this voice using the Python recorder. If I click on the play button again, now the record has been started. So you can see that's time to record. Hello friends, this is Code Capital coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I've created an Python file here. Now the first thing is the prerequisite of this project is you have to install the sound device. We've installed sound device. This should start installing the sound device, and I have already installed this, so I will not install this. And the next is you have to install the scipy. You install scipy, press enter. This will start installing scipy, and after that you are ready to go to your project. I have already installed these prerequisites. Now the first thing is I will import the sound device, and also from scipy.io.wavefile I will put the write function, which is used to write audio data to RWV file format or WAV file, whatever you say. Now the first thing is I will create a frame per second here, 44100, which is a basic frame that every audio uses. Now the next I will say the second. You can see I will take an info from the user, enter the duration of audio. This is the duration of the audio that user want to record the audio for, which whatever duration he wants. Next is I will say print audio recorded started. Now the next I will say using the rec function of sound device, I will say rv equal to sound device dot rec, and inside this I will say the first argument will be second and multiply by fs, and the second argument will be sample rate. I mean the frame per second will be fs. The channel will be 2, which is used for stereo basically. Now this we have used the rec function from the sound device module to record audio. It records for the duration specified by the user. I have multiplied by the sample rate, and the channel here is set to 2. I mean to record in the stereo is 2 because I want to record in the stereo. Now the next is I will see sound device dot wait. Now this is a function which is used here. It waits for the recording to finish before proceeding. Now I will use the next write function. It used to write the recorded audio to a WAV file name. The first argument file name I will say audio.wav or wave, whatever you say. The next argument will be fs, frame per second, and the third argument will be I will say rv. And the next I will say the record is finished. Now I'll run this program. So the first is we have to give the duration, for example 10 seconds. Now the record has been started. I'll see something that hello, this is the device sound device module I use for recording the Python device, recording the audio in Python. You can see. Now I'll go to my audio device and click on the play button. Now the record has been started. I'll see something that hello, this is the device. And this is how you can record the audio using the Python modules. So I hope this project will help you and you have enjoyed this project. If you want to get more videos, more projects like this, press the subscribe button and also press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching it.